and soul. Every laugh, every cry you make.
This farm will bring the family big profit.
Daddy, which cup, please?
This idea of mine, flowers. Mother would never agree. It's not our farm anymore, is it?
I may be old, but I'm not blind nor stupid.
We can't afford to go on paying for both of them, Mama. So we have to choose.
I saw that Martin navigating on a bus. Imagine, and his grandfather is lying in the church.
Anyway, my son, let's see if you are prepared to take your poor old mother in your house.
The important thing is to persuade her out of this place.
Never thought I'd ever live to see my own children cast me out.
How am I going to get her out of this house now? She has to go somewhere.
Why? She's got a whole house of her own and she's perfectly healthy.
Oh, my poor heart.
Mother, please.
Why don't we go somewhere more private?
Is it to do with the flowers, the roses?
I have a place just round the corner.
I've got a job for you. You interested? Where's my dad?
You can come in now, lover boy.
I don't want to live in the farm anymore. I want to come and live in your house.
In our house.
With you.
You know that can't
It would only be for a short while.
That is my decision. You must make yours. What do you want?
You help me get mother out of the farm.
To send me to the grave as well?
You're too soft with everyone.
Let her stay with you. Impossible. Eva won't have it.
I don't trust Benja. I'm lonely. I'm grieving.
So who's this woman? You don't worry. Afterwards, you're going to help me out with some job. What job? Can't tell you till we get there.
Hold on, Agatha. Hold on.
You just make sure that there are no blunders. How did it go? Smooth as silk.
I almost died, Emmanuel. It was a gang of masked thieves.
Did anybody see you? No.
They stormed in and attacked me with rungus, simis.
You need to strike where the iron is hot.
That farm is far too dangerous.
Come on, man. How can you be so cold?
I know what happened to your brother, the one who died.
Where is he? You know who? Titus.
It's all my fault.
This secret has been in the family for years, and then you go and tell the biggest gossip in town.
I don't know where he is.
I told you to frighten the old woman, not beat her.
I'm bruised and beaten up. It will be many weeks before I'm fit again.
I want my money. You're not going to get another cent.
You're about the most stunning woman I've ever seen.
I know how we could make, guys. How? There's a disco coming soon with DJ Max. Ask your dad. Dad always say yes.
How long has she known this?
A long time, Titus.
I've nothing to say except that I'm sorry, Mr.
Don't forget about the advance.
But Mr.
Nothing. When we get that engine, our troubles will be over. We'll be rich. Where did you get that?
You don't worry. I've simply been lucky no man has been lost before. You have 24 hours to find the culprit and the money.
Or else you'll know when it comes.
Heart and soul. Every